Okay, recording is started now. Okay, friends. So let's. This is the yesterday application, right? Yesterday application. In a yesterday application, what we did, we made using Spring, right? Spring. What is that? Spring tag library. We designed the form, right? And even we know we understood why we are designing this, why we are designing this form, right? Why we are designing to make, because if we, until unless if we are not using STL, we can't make that you like Google. Let's open the Google, right? Okay, Google. So see, Hindi, other Marathi, another Gujarati, different language is there, right? Different language is there. So by clicking, if we click on this one, see, the things will become what? Hindi, right? The things will become what? Hindi. If we are clicking this one, which language this one? Okay, na, I don't know. So if we are clicking that, right? If we are
Telugu,
clicking
Ravi.
Telugu, this one, okay. So
Yeah.
so don't worry. Today I'm going to implement. Our page will be have like this only, friend. Okay, now be serious. I know that. Actually, see, from here onward, right? If I write a small code also, the code will become too much big. Okay, na. Patience also need from your side, people, right? Patience also need. Okay, na, because if small, yeah, Manjulata, good afternoon. If I explain small things also, right? It's small things. Today our discussion this one only, but before we will learn the validation, spring validation, server side validation. After then next, second our second discussion is this one. Okay, na. See, Hindi, if we are clicking Hindi, Marathi, the page is becoming Marathi. If we are clicking another language, see, search engine, all those things is changing by default. So these things we will learn. Okay, now we will learn to, this is nothing but in the Java localization, local, we are using the local. Based on that, what we are doing, that we are we are making our page as a what, we are making as a our page as a local language localization. We are like, I am a Hindi person, or I know the English person, I know English and Hindi. So based on that, if mm, person want to open our page as a Hindi, so the person, when the person will click, our form will generate using generate in Hindi, right? If person want English, then the person will click on the English, right? English. Then what will happen, the page will be have like Hindi, English, all later will become Hindi. If person want Telugu, right? Then Telugu person. So if person, so this is nothing but internationalization. So based on that STL only, we can achieve what? STL. And even server side validation to show the messages using STL and editable page. Okay, na. So from here I'm going to create this project. I will make one mini project, friend. Okay, na. I will make this application as a mini project. Because of that, yesterday I said that from here onward only one project. And yeah, whatever concept I will explain, all those concept I will implement in this project only. After ending this project will after ending this application will become one small project. And day to day in the company, right? Whatever you will work, whatever work is there, right? All those work, if you start, right? Then if you start real time work, then you will analyze, oh, I work in the mini project. All concept I will touch in this look like is mini project only, but day to day whatever work we are doing in the company, right? Those things I will implement in this application. Okay, na. So don't worry, let's be patient. But today actually the concept is there, big concept is there, right? Some things I will explain, right? Something first I will explain. After then, what is that, when our application we will see first output. After then I will tell, see, because of this object, these things is happening. Because I know that some analysis will come after building the project. Okay, na. Building the project, because servlet, some people don't know very well servlet, right? So here I'm not going to touch servlet, but I will give the analysis in the servlet concept, what we are saying that. And these things here, our Spring people given as a concrete class, and those class we are using that, and we are implementing that, right? So no need, and don't worry about that, keep servlet knowledge in no. analysis, just analysis is need, okay na. So initially only I said that, what initial day only I said that ki what is that, ki first whenever we are learning that anything, right, whenever we are learning anything, so a b c d need, okay na, then we can write what, apple. So be patient, okay na, be patient, little bit boring, today's session will be little bit look like boring, okay na, but after when we will see the output, after then again I will explain the flow, again I will explain the why I use this object, okay na. Because if total output will be there front of you people, at that time if I explain that object behavior, this one, this object behavior, this one, then you people will catch easily, okay na. So this is the my way, okay na, today, based on the today discussion, okay. So little bit look like bore also, I said initially only I'm saying that little bit, but I will try my level best, so you people should not feel bored, right? Okay, so let's move on and first we will run the application, yesterday application, whatever application we completed yesterday, let's run that, and first we will see that output, right, we will see that output, okay na. So first I will see the controller, my screen is visible, right, please use the chat box, and a little bit you people from your side also, whenever I'm saying that use chat box, suddenly give the message, because based on that your activeness, I will be active, right, I will be also active, okay. So okay, yeah, so this is the yesterday application, yeah. So yesterday this application flow, okay now this application flow, what today I'm going to give this application flow, okay now, because yesterday we are running out of time, so because of that suddenly I stopped the session, okay now. So okay, okay, so now fine friend, okay now, so now fine, okay now right click run server, okay now I'm running this application, yesterday application friend, okay now, I said, and I will do also, yesterday onward, whatever concept I'm explaining, those concept I will implement in the single application only. After ending this application will become one small project, okay na. And if you people will practice, right, it will benefit it for you when you will work in the company also, right, company also, because day to day definitely one or other concept you will touch in the company. It's my challenge, because I will cover each and everything in this project, each and everything in this small, this look like a small project, but each and everything I will touch, it's my guarantee, okay na. Now copy this one, okay na, come to browser, okay, okay, paste it, and this one, right. So again what is this, 1 minute, no problem, okay now, again we are facing the yesterday application, this one only, right, yeah, this one only. Okay, so no problem, no problem. We already imply form, this one. Okay, come to GSP page. Okay, something actually morning na. 1 minute, I will tell why it's giving. Okay na. When I will come to this, actually I changed this one, UTF character 8, right, UTF character I changed, because of that I think I'm facing this issue. Don't worry, when we will reach on this point, right, I will tell, okay now, why I wrote. So first, before this one was there, right, before this one is there, okay now. So let's change it, it still change, I need change it. When I will explain internationalization, at the time again I will explain, okay na. Morning only, morning I changed, because I did practical once, right, before explanation, because at the time of if we face the issue, then we are losing the patience also, so I don't want to lose the patience anybody, okay na. So because of that, one time I did the practical on that, okay. Okay, so one more time, I'm running the same application. Okay na? Still we are facing that. What is the problem yesterday onward? Okay. Oh, yeah, I got it. Got it. Actually, the problem is, there is no more problem. Okay. Employee na, yeah, this one I use na, because of that we are facing this issue. Okay na, employee name, right? EMPLOY name. Now it will work. Now it will work. Refresh, just refresh it. Yeah, see, okay na, see, okay, so fine. So actually just one experiment I did morning, because of that in the same application, but till now yesterday we completed, till now we yesterday we completed this application. Okay na, so fine. So what we used is Spring Form Tag Library, right? Using Spring Form Tag Library, what we completed, we made this application, right? We made this form as a bi-directional, right? From here also we can put, and if the need from the server also we can put, right? How yesterday when I shown as a practical also, like, right? Employee, just what I did, employee, yeah, employee e equal to new employee, right? Yeah. Okay. So e dot, what is that? Set. E dot set. Just set name. I'm name as only one things. Okay. Na Ravi. Here I'm doing the Ravi. Ravi. Okay. Here I completed Ravi now. And what I'm going to do now? Just here I will pass that Ravi only, right? No, sorry, that e object, this object I'm passing here, right? If I'm passing this reference, okay, so just refresh this page and we can able to see here Amit we kept, right? Just refresh this page. By refreshing, you will get what? Ravi. Means because of that, what is that? Because of this magic is happening, STL, Spring Form Tag Library, right? So next discussion is our SWOT. Next discussion is our SWOT. We will validate server side validation. We will complete. Just employee name should accept only numeric value. Only see Ravi came, right? Ravi came, and where we wrote Ravi, inside that set, right? In the object in the server side we set it in the model Ravi, right? Here another name also we can. Okay, if you want Padma, let's take this name. Okay, Padma, right? I'm taking this name. Okay na, just refresh this page on the browser. Okay na, on the browser, don't worry, the in the server side is still refresh, server is not refresh this controller. Okay na, when the controller will refresh, okay, now the change will happen here. Okay, change will happen here. See that. Okay na, see that. Slowly we will learn the step. Okay na, slowly we will learn the step. Okay na, after then we will complete the Spring MVC. And Spring MVC module is too much important. See here we wrote in the inside that what, inside that Padma, inside that server, right? Inside that controller, but it's reflecting on what? It's reflecting on what? In the in what, in our view page, right? View page. So this is the speciality of Spring frame, STL. Because of that Spring Form Tag Library, we can able to read the data from the server. We can able to read the data from the server, and this concept is too much useful. Okay now, this concept is too much useful. And when I will implement the project, at the time I will tell, because of this region I explained this one. Okay, so okay, let's move on, okay na. So but here what we are doing now, okay, let's remove this object from here to here. Okay na, remove it in the controller. Okay, just pass here new new employee employee, right? I'm passing this object. Okay na, so that's it. Okay na, the things is previously yesterday how we are completed and whatever things we seen that. Okay na, those things we till now the project is there in that stage only, right? This project is there in that stage only. Okay na. So but here what is that, here if we are not putting any data, right? See, but still we can able to see that, right? By default value, see, Padma is came, right? Employee is nothing is there, employee gender null is there, employee address is there, right? But still end user, if we give this form to end user, think about that, the end user can put the wrong data or not, and that is very bad, right? That is the very bad. So for that, what we will do now, server side, we are not going to validate this form as a what static means client side, server side validation, because we are the Java developer, right? So whenever we will click, until unless we will not follow, right, we will take what, name must be minimum 4 letter, and maximum 9 letter. Okay na, person can put, and only capital letter and small letter. Okay na, these restriction we will put inside that. After then what, employee password minimum 4 letter, maximum 7 8 letter we will give. And can employee can choose what, employee can choose this one as what, alphanumeric, alpha small letter, capital letter plus numeric also. Okay na, in the password. And in gender we will take the gender male female. After then text area, right? Address we will validate like that, minimum 10, maximum 200 250 word can put inside this text area, end user. Okay na. Select box, we will take the at least select one select box. Okay na, then the form will be, then we can register the form. Okay na. Select at least one language, select the three languages there na? In three language select minimum one language, otherwise this form will be not register. Okay na. This is our operation. Okay na, this is our operation. But before, let's understand one first, before to validate this form. Okay na. So in the core Java, pattern API is there. Okay na, we will understand that pattern API. Okay na, we will understand that pattern API first. Okay. So after then we will validate and we will understand the flow, UML diagram also I will tell. Okay na, each and everything. One time I will give the UML diagram. Second time what we will do now, we will implement those things as again. Okay na. Again I will explain what, based on the diagram, because I know that from here onward, small things also if I do in this project, the things will become too much big, okay na. Because of that I'm saying that. Okay na, to explaining, right, to explaining these things, to make these things too much easy. Okay na. I'm working, see, I work in this concept in the project also, right? But to explain anyone, right, the things is different. So based on the explanation, people can understand or not. So to make, so because of that I did too much hard work to deliver this concept as the easiest way, you people. Okay na. So please listen carefully. And okay, so but first what we will do now, core Java, in the core Java we know that what is that pattern. 1 minute. Okay na. In the core Java, what is that, pattern API is there, right? Pattern API is there. Pattern API is there, right? Based on that, what is that? Okay na. So first let's understand. Okay na, we will in the Python API, based on that Python API, what we are doing now. So we are restricting, right? We are restricting our Java code. So only if the things will be correct, then true, right? If not, then false. Okay na. So we are writing the expression, right? In what is that Python API, we are writing the expression. How we are writing that? Inside that, like right inside that, what we are doing now, like that, open bracket and a close bracket, right? If in the open bracket, close bracket, whatever expression we are writing, like just what is there, that just my API should only accept capital letter, A to Z, right? A to Z. If we give A to B, okay na, A to B, if we are give inside that A to B only means our Python API will accept A to B later, right? If give A to Z means A to B, Z, between all letter our API will accept, okay na. But capital letter only, capital letter, which letter we are giving? Capital letter, right? But if we give small also, so if you know, I want my API will accept what? Small letter also. So what we will do now? Small A to Z we can give, okay na. So in the same bracket, okay na, in the same bracket only we will see the practical. Just I'm giving the overview. After then we will see that, okay na, each and everything I will tell to you, friend, okay na. So now, okay, so see that A to Z, my API should be accept capital letter A to Z between all letter, small letter between small letter A to Z, okay na, between all letter, okay na. No, I want to accept my API 0 to 9 also. So what we will do now? 0 to 9, okay na. So 0 to 9, like that we are giving input inside this bracket, then our API Python API is working, right? So okay, after then what is that? Okay, if we are using, right, if we are using star symbol after then here, right, after then outside of this bracket, so it's meaning that star meaning that ki what, you can put letter also, zero letter A to Z, and maximum n number, and zero also, right? If we are taking at least, what is that, we will give the input, okay na. I know that still you people is not understanding what is input. Just now, next our discussion is same only, next our discussion is same only, okay. So okay, so fine. So same like, so just I'm giving the analysis of this bracket is means, what is that? No data, right? No data. After then another one is what? If after then, what is that, we are giving the, like, if we are giving what, 10 time written, right? One, if we are giving the one, okay na. So inside that, what is that, whatever word we will use, right? A, if we are using A to Z, right, between A to Z, okay na. This API will accept only one letter. What is that? Whatever letter you have to take, right, between A to Z, whatever letter you want to take, right, but take only one. So we can take A also, A only, or B also, or C also. Between Z we can take any letter, right, but only one letter will accept our Python API. Meaning this expression is, this expression meaning is this one only, right? This expression is meaning the same only, okay na. So now, okay, so first let's understand, okay na. Here if we are giving the expression like A to Z, if we are giving the A to Z, means only what we are, only what our API will upper letter, right? Uppercase letter our API will accept, okay na. So after then second one is what? After then, don't worry, I will give I know this, we are there in the basic stage, okay na. Because of that, okay na, concentrate, okay na. Try to analyze it. When we will do the practical, at the time too much clarity will come, friend, okay na. This concept you will learn in the core Java, right? But like this, how I'm going to explain, right? Like this, no one will explain, because I'm going to explain these things as a reality, how we are implementing in the project. Because whenever I will use in the form validation, I'm going to use this one. Because of that, I'm going to explain in the core Java, right? I'm core Java. First, I will explain in the core Java, and those things I will implement in the what? In the Spring Embassy. Then you people will catch easily. This is my intention behind this one. Otherwise, directly I can implement here, okay na. But if I directly implement here, right, then some people who is the already experienced and who is a working employee, they people can understand. But who is the still not working, na, those people will not understand, okay na. And this is not my intention to here in whatever people are there in the meeting, my intention to take care each and everyone, okay na. So okay, so let's come and understand, okay na. If we give A to Z, small A to Z, means our API will only what is that, only lowercase, right? Lowercase letter accept later, right? Only lowercase letter will accept, okay na. So okay, think about that. No, I want my API will accept, what is that, capital A to Z, and a small letter also, A to Z, right? A small letter also, both. So for that, what, how we will write the expression, how we will write the expression? Like this only, right? Like this only, okay na? So okay, so only this one will accept what is a both, right? Both lower low, both cases, both case letter. This one will accept what? Lower case also, and what is that? Upper case also, okay na? After then second one is what? No, my, I will restrict my API. My API should accept only letter. No numeric value. I don't want letter, right? I don't want letter. So for that, what is that? Only digit will this. If we write like this expression, only what is that? Only digit, right? Only digit accept. Our API will accept what? Only digit, right? Only digit. Okay, so far, no, no, I want, what is that? I want, what is that? My API will accept only what? My API accept all digit also, letter also, small letter also, and capital letter also. For that, what expression we will write? A to Z, right? After then A to Z. After then, what is that? 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9. So this one will this one character and a digit, okay na? This one will accept what is that? Char and a digit, both will be accept, okay na? Both, it will be accept what is that? Both, right? So like that. But okay na? So but how many time? Based on this one, only one time. If we are not writing anything, right? So only one word will accept, right? If we write like this. So no, I want between this one, this much to this much, okay na? I want to restrict it. So for that, hard, what is there? So like, okay na? So okay, what I'm going to do now, just okay. Yeah, I'm moving this one here, okay, friend? Yeah. Yeah, okay na? So okay, so no, if we write like this, only one letter, A to Z we are given, but only one letter will accept, okay na? Only one letter will accept between A to Z. So no, I want my API, okay na? I want my API will accept what? My API will accept minimum. What is that? 4. This A, okay na? This A, exactly. If we just give, right, like that, if we are giving, right, 1 minute, friend, okay na? Okay. Okay, so if we are giving like this, okay na, five time, right? So whatever letter we will put, this letter will, we can put inside this API 5 time, right? 5 time we can put this API, okay na? After 1 minute, the meeting will end. Come back, okay? Don't go anywhere, okay? Learn the things. Today concept is too much important, okay na? Without validation, there is no project. So okay, so okay, so now fine, so fine, friend, okay na? So this one is the five time, okay na? Means A to Z, between A to Z later we can take minimum, maximum and minimum also 5, okay na? So no, I want to decide minimum and maximum both, right? This one is the maximum we can take, minimum anything, maximum we can take 5, okay na? Maximum we can take 5, okay. After then, no, I want A to Z letter in my API. Minimum 3, maximum 8. Okay na? We will decide it. Okay na? So for that, what is that? Just now, after writing this bracket, what we will do now? Open curly bracket and close bracket. Inside that, minimum 4 letter, maximum 6 letter or 7 letter. We can give like this. Okay na? In the API we can't put, right, max 7 letter. If we put, then our validation API will give what? False. And if we take the less number of 4, right, then still we can get, means between 4 to 7 we have need to take the letter. A to Z letter we have need to take between what? Between what? Between what? 4 to 7 letter, right? So okay, so okay, I will show the practical also. I will show the practical also, friend, okay na? Just think about that explanation and theory part, okay? So okay, so no, what we will do now, I want to know minimum and maximum. There is no restriction I want. Okay na, I don't want to